Say mo, Paulo. Gerald, hindi makalimutan si Kim Chiu.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The path.
Hindi nakalimutan ng aktor na si Gerald Anderson ang dating katambal at ex-girlfriend na si Kim Chiu noong nagsisimula pa lamang ang karera nila sa industriya ng showbiz. Sa drama Moto Club YouTube channel, nagbahagi si Gerald kasama si Sam Milby ng kanilang karanasan bilang artista. Inamin ni Gerald na sobrang busy nila pagkalabas ng Pinoy Big Brother dahil sa kabi-kabilang mga offer sa kanila. Paglabas namin ng PBB, ginawa kaming bida. I was only 17 years old. Kami ni Kim, ginawa kaming bida sa mga soap. Ang first teleserye namin ay Sana, Maulit Muli, saad ni Gerald. Sa ex naman, pinuri si Gerald dahil hindi nito nakalimutan si Kim. Gerald Anderson, talking about early years showbiz experiences with Kim Chiu in latest Drama Moto Club vlog, touching how Gerald used words like namin, kami, with Kim. G never forgets to mention Kimi, saad ng isang username.
Pas namin ng PBB, ginawa kami bida. I was only 17 years old. Kami ni Kim, ginawa kami bida sa mga show, and then so ang first teleserye namin, Sana Maulit Muli. And then NWF yun, or TTHS yun. And then first movie namin, yung First Day High, first movie ko, First Day High, NWF mag-shooting kami. So yung linya ko sa Sana Maulit Muli, nasasabi ko dun sa, I was that.
Sumang-ayon naman ang iba at napa-comment din. This is what I appreciate about Gerald. He always look back at how they both started and realizes that without their love team, he would not be where he was today. They grew up in showbiz together, and huge chunk of their success is the Kim-Gerald tandem. Real gentlemen, haba at gandang memories nila ni Kim. May karakter at good values, kaya blessed din yan si G. God bless you, Gerald. Ito lang naman ang naging ex ni Kimi na hindi ampalaya. Laging inuulam. Hanggang ngayon na-appreciate niya pa rin si Kimi. Walang masamang salitang marinig mo. Kasi nagsimula siya sa showbiz na si Kimi ang kasama. Paano mo nga naman makakalimutan? Well, marami naman ang natuwa. Lalong higit ang mga fans ni Kimi sa ginawang yon ni Gerald na talagang hindi nakakalimutan ang good memories na pinagsamahan nila ni Chinita Princess. Ano naman kaya ang magiging reaction dito ni Paulo Avellino na napapabalitang nobyo na ni Chinita Princess? For sure, okay lang ang lahat ng ito dahil pass is pass. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.